My name is Lombraña González. I'm a researcher and an engineer, and I build tools that allow people to participate and do science. In citizen science, there are three major areas: volunteer sensing, volunteer computing, and volunteer thinking. Volunteer sensing projects invite people to contribute data samples using tools like smartphones or sensors. On the other hand, we have volunteer thinking projects where the volunteers can help solving scientific puzzles like folding proteins. Finally, volunteer computing projects involve citizens that share computing resources to run a simulation. This type of projects are usually managed by universities or research institutions. The institutions create the projects and the citizens help. However, our society is changing. The production model is changing. Nowadays, citizens are producers too, not just consumers. People are creating videos, music, art, software, hardware because the digital era allows us to do it. Copying, remixing, creating is easier than ever before, so why not enabling this model also in science? My proposal is to create an open source platform that should enable people like you to create open scientific projects in a similar way. I want to see people becoming scientific producers. I have already started the creation of an open source platform called crowdcrafting.org. The platform has applications like Feynman's flowers, where citizens mark the center of a nanomolecule and the degrees of its axis. Currently, I'm integrating crowdcrafting with other web tools like Epicolette from Imperial College. Epicolette has a smartphone client that takes data samples like geolocated pictures. Then, from crowdcrafting, you can import the data and analyze it, combining volunteer sensing and thinking all together. Another example is the ongoing integration of the popular framework CCAN from the Open Knowledge Foundation. This development allows you to export, store, and share your applications data with one click. However, with my time and constraints, I cannot put crowdcrafting where I would like to see it. And that's why I'm applying to the Shuttleworth Fellowship. The fellowship would allow me to improve the open source platform, but more importantly, to give people the tools and knowledge to create their own open scientific projects. Crowdcrafting will allow people to learn about science by doing. Citizens will be getting their hands dirty, building sensors, taking samples, and more importantly, discussing about the science being produced. In other words, citizens will become citizen scientists. If I get the Shuttleworth Fellowship, I will try to make this happen, so citizen science will become the next maker movement.